suggestion of a high-level occupation.
Teaching.
Teaching! Majority! She's teaching! Okay, with that suggestion, we take you to the interview.
Helen!
Yes?
Yes, please send in the first half. Thank you, good. Hello? You're here for the teaching job.
Well, it's a little hot here. Don't mind my tensions.
Well, it says over there on your resume
Sit
that...
down.
All right. Says on the resume that...
Yes.
you finished school.
Well, I did correspondence from prison. This is a Massachusetts school. It's liberal. My experience with people teaching. I know these things.
The school of life, my friend, is a school indeed. And there is a lot to be said for that, but we do need credentials. Credentials?
Mickey the Hawk stabbed me right there. Want to show me what Louis did?
No, please, no. Helen! Hello.
Hi.
Care to sit down?
Thank you. You're such a nice little boy. Such manners. So unusual.
I think it's my duty at this point in the interview to point out that I'm a 40-year-old man. With urges and needs like any 40-year-old man.
I can't imagine what you're referring to.
Unfortunately, I can. Now, for 10 years, you've been a children's television host.
That's right. I'm Mrs. Appletree.
I think I've seen you on.
Yes.
Is that a PBS show?
Yes, it's a PBS show.
Very lovely. And you've lost your funding.
Hi. How are you?
Excuse me.
What?
You lost your funding.
Yes, I did. I left it somewhere and
Fine. Previous to your job on PBS, what were your affiliations?
Well, I belong to the AAA club. And I have a library card.
Library.
Yes, goes to that apple tree.
Next! Hello. Please take a seat. Let me ask you a question. I was going to ask you a question, but you all right, fine, stop.
Have you ever been taken as a prisoner of war?
See, I taught elementary school. I can't say I've been taken a prisoner of war.
You've never been taken? So I take it you never served. You never served your country.
No, I guess I've never served my country in the military sense.
Yeah. That's what I expect.
Now, Colonel,
I'm tired.
yes, obviously you're looking for something to occupy your time. We're afraid that you might, due to your high rank and your very shiny uniform, frighten the children.
Children need discipline. You can take a fourth grader and have him field strip an M16 in under 10 seconds. Give me a month!
All right, next!
What again?
And stay retired.
You all right, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just a little nervous. A little nervous.
That's all right, it'll be just fine, I promise.
Fine. No, I didn't realize. I definitely. Thank you very much. Okay.
We're all set. You're gonna be okay.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm a little bit. Oh my God. Sorry. I wanted to be a teacher. And I apologize.
It's fine.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Okay.
You wanna try it again?
Sure. I'm gonna sit.
Very good. Now, you've been teaching wood shop for 10 years. You got the job.